Mesdames, Messieurs, bonjour. Ces dernières semaines, une série de cambriolages a été effectuée sur Paris et la région parisienne, et tout particulièrement dans la région de Val-d'Oise. Tous ces cambriolages ont été exécutés selon le même mode opératoire, celui des hold-up squad. Échappés récemment de prison, le Fred, ces 4 jeunes filles sont à la fois Mali et
Bobby, free than a boy. Kingston, free than a boy. Portmore, free than a boy. Yo Papin, free than a boy.
Jamie Line, Mount No View to Chisholm, CLM Trelawney Senton, Spaintown, Riverton, Brayton, they are to be crush pagan. Read this, I mean this, I don't know the way I swimming and I see this. Bad man thing, no boy can't see this. I'm in a mingle with gender, I rock with no. Real bad man series, tell some boy, chuck off with them scenes. Call me born, STR, 8, traitor, no boy can't lean this. Let them a chat up and I say, mind no business. I no cartoon, I want you no business. Believe it or not like a Ripley, so my name them troop on the most like a Wrigley's. Me nah hear them, cause seal them ready for go sail when sailed like a frisbees. Hey, march the Grizzlies. What's them, why are them, bun them, crispies. And so much chat about Martin where the things is. Them know me better than the 666s. Hey, gangsta the thing them grease up. Buy it up, like a pino. Hey, violate and them get freeze up. Cause the things them a seize up. The thing them grease up. Tell some boy to see me and speak up. Cause when me back, the dark when they feel back and me crack like a teacup. Them a feel like carbon, copycat. Them no bother down with dog, you copy that. Them a run off more chat more rally back where them boy they a duppy back. Matches lane things nuff can't tally that. Claving down me dogs them happy that. Hey, August town Tuesland